engineers Mark Huon from Sudbury, Ontario, and the loadmaster is Darren Williams from Penticton, BC. And he's going to make a high-speed pass coming in from the right down show line. And you can see the loadmaster in the window as he went by. He's pulled up and making a turn. He'll come do a turnaround and come back. C-130 Hercules is a workhorse of the Canadian Air Force, and this particular aircraft is stationed in Greenwood and used primarily for search and rescue. You see a lot of these aircraft down in this area from time to time as they come down to do training. Also on dumping days, they're out there watching over our fishermen. They're a very dedicated group of individuals, and we're certainly pleased that they are here today to put on a demonstration of this C-130 Hercules. Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for the Skyhawks as they come by here. A great performance here today over Yarmouth. Off to my left, you see the light shining from that C-130 Herc as he made his turn and now inbound again. Star techs that come on board of this aircraft, when they get ready to exit from the aircraft, when they have to make a rescue, will come out of the back. The ramp will be down. We slowed this aircraft down. If you look at the back, I believe you'll see that the ramp is down, and they just come out and jump right off the back end of this Herc. As you can see, he slowed this aircraft down the line. The ramp is down in the back. You can see the ramp where it's open right up into the cargo bay. There's a couple of strictures coming out the back, and this is kind of an indication of what they do, is when they want to mark an area for the, it's similar to what the Skyhawks do. They use these streamers for wind drift indication, so that when the Star tanks get ready to jump, they have an indication again the same way as the Skyhawks do.